Look at that, all of it's out. I cannot believe this backyard looked the way it did. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video here. Today, we are remodeling my parents' whole entire backyard. Like I told you guys recently, complete synthetic turf has come out. We got V here, and they are helping us out with this remodel here. It's going to be absolutely insane. They are the best around town, and I'm so excited to do this. It is the next morning here, and the whole entire backyard is literally, look at this. Absolutely, like nothing, there's nothing. It actually looks pretty good. No more mulch, no more rock. Like I told you, the trail of rock is gone. And over here, there's literally nothing. There used to be a patio over there. Look at that, all of it's out. You guys are killing it. Killing it. So right now, after getting all this off the ground, they're getting all the dirt, putting it in these wheelbarrows, rolling it, pretty much getting all the junk out of the backyard so that they have an empty. Plants are starting to come in now. We got 2 plants up there, which look great with that palm. This plant, I don't know if it's going there, but palm goes over here like I mentioned before. Things are happening out here. Looks good. I love the ferns. I love this type of stuff. All right, well, more plants are coming in. What do we got here?
Those are ground orchids.
Yep.
We have some crotons.
Crotons?
All of these are low maintenance.
Low maintenance plants? Are all these?
Ferns.
Yep. There you go. Big moves. Look at this backyard. It's coming together now with all these plants. I'll tell you that. Oh my goodness, it looks. Look at this. Wow. All right. Bunch of little plants have now came in, and now to the big palm tree out front, the big old palm tree. I'm vlogging on the phone right now. Look at this sucker. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. This is a full 6-person job right here to get this giant, about 700-pound palm tree in the backyard. Once they get it rolling, they'll be good. Look how big this tree is. I love it. I love how they're all just laughing, having fun. That thing is a beast. It's gonna provide a lot of shade back here, which is cool too. Got it. Hooray! Holy moly. That thing is huge. Look at this backyard already. Just take a look right there. That palm tree with these few other palms that are blocking out the fence there makes this part look so much better. It's not even landscaped anywhere around. The turf isn't even here yet. This pond looks so good with that shed there, plants in the back. Like we mentioned, this is where the fireplace is gonna be out here. This gate's being moved that way a little bit. This burn's being taken out. As you can see, they're planting all through here. Much more tropical looking. So awesome. It is day 3. Day 3 out here. Here's what we got going on. Wow. What a difference. The sand is all coming in now. This is what's gonna go under the turf. I'm guessing there's more steps than just this. But the whole backyard is being sanded right now. Look at how crazy it looks. So different, all of this. Even this whole side, everything. Absolutely insane. So everywhere you see this sand is really where there's going to be turf all throughout here. Just imagine all this just green. And by the way, always green. Throughout the whole entire year, every year it's going to be green. No cutting, nothing. This is the way to go. Low maintenance, my parents don't have to do all this weed picking junk. We're gonna be able to come out here, film a video, super easy. The whole purpose of this is just no maintenance pretty much at all. All right, update here, fellas. This is insane. They have this machine right here. It's like a tamper. You know the tamper, like doom, doom, That's what that does, but just looks insane though. Let me just give you a rundown of how far they've gotten so far. There's actually a barrier right here that blocks off all this. I'm guessing that's gonna be like gravel in there, and this is all gonna be turf. This right here was just dirt out front, and now it's like concrete. It's like concrete now from being tampered down so much. I am so stoked. Complete synthetic turf. I can't thank you enough for hooking it up. This is absolutely beautiful, amazing. What's your plans? Fire pit's going right here instead of over there. This just provides more room for seating over here. Over here, look what we got going on. Check this out. Patio. Bricks are going in. They've done this in about 10 minutes. Roll the time lapse of this happening. There's so much going on. But yeah. This is going in. As you know, there used to be giant palm trees right here. Those were taken out completely, so it just looks so different here. There's a thing of concrete right here, now taken out, replaced with brick. All this is gonna be turf with stepping stones down the side. The fire pit is being worked on over here. Gosh, they move like lightning. It's insane. The whole entire patio, like brick side of everything over there is now done. And there's already 10 stepping stones up to right here. We'll take a look. Dude, holy moly. I cannot believe this backyard looked the way it did 3 days ago.